Go is a fun two-player board game where players compete to take over the most territory on the board. The board features a 19 by 19 grid. The game also comes with 181 black stones and 180 white stones. There is one more black stone than white stone, because black always goes first. To play the game, black takes the first turn by placing a stone on one of the intersections on the board. Stones can be placed on any open four-way intersection or any open T-shaped intersection at the edge of the board. After black takes their turn, white goes next. Play alternates back and forth throughout the game. The goal of the game is to acquire territory, which is done by surrounding empty intersections with stones of the same color. Each empty intersection that is surrounded is worth 1 point for the player whose stones surround it. Corners can be used as a border when surrounding empty intersections. A player can also capture their opponent's stones by surrounding them with their own stones. If one or more stones are completely surrounded by the other players, those stones are removed from the board and set aside in the prisoner's pile. The player who captured the stones adds all of the newly empty intersections to their territory. The game continues until all of the available territory has been claimed. At the end of the game, each player takes all of the stones they captured and places them in their opponent's territory to reduce their number of empty intersections and points. Whoever has the most points wins the game.